Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this super realistic dessert candle. To create this design I will be using two types of wax, pillar wax and container wax. Let's get started. I'm starting by measuring 50 grams of pillar wax, which I'm using to create a decorative element such as blueberries and leaves. I'm choosing pillar wax because it has a firmer consistency, helping the decoration keep their shape and reducing the risk of color bleeding. Next, I'm measuring 200 grams of container wax, which I'm using for the base of the candle. This type of wax is softer and gives the candle a smooth and creamy texture. You can see here that I have the container wax in my left hand and the pillar wax in my right hand. Even the flakes look different, they have a different texture and consistency. I'm using 6% fragrance load. Of course, some candles can handle up to 10% fragrance load, but you always check the recommended maximum percentage for your specific wax. For an 8 cm diameter jar, I recommend using a CD18 or Eco 12 wick. Now I'm cleaning the container with sanitizing alcohol and the paper towel to make sure it's clean and ready for the wax. Using a double sticker, I'm securing the wick in the center of the jar. Once the wax is fully melted, I will remove it from the heat and let it cool to about 60 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, I will add the fragrance oil and stir continuously until it's fully incorporated. I will divide the wax into separate cups and color each portion. I will use green for the leaves and the darker purple for the blueberries. Now I'm pouring the wax into the silicone molds and I will let it cool. With the remaining purple wax, I'm creating small crumbles that I will mix into the soy wax base. This will give the candle the appearance of a real blueberry pieces in a blueberry smoothie. For the container wax, I've colored about 3/4 of it purple. I will leave the remaining quarter uncolored and mix it with the wax flakes to prepare the frosting. Once the flakes are fully incorporated into the base, I will pour the mixture into the container. Now I'm whipping the remaining uncolored wax. I will transfer it into a piping bag fitted with the piping nozzle, and I will start decorating the candle. For the final part, I will add the blueberries and the leaves. After, I will take one small blueberry and grate it to create small flakes. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!